Good morning, everybody. This is Angela, back early this morning. It feels early anyway. I have been up most of the night waiting for the announcement. I am a Nana officially. The baby came around midnight my time. Um, anyway, a little bit after midnight, put it that way. And so we have a girl. Yay! So anyway, coming back, and yes, if I had to make a run to Starbucks this morning, let me grab a swallow real quick. Nectar. Anyway, kits this week. Kits is a focus. In case I haven't posted a link here because I was revamping the list that we got. I sent out a list, the Excel spreadsheet, and so that you can sort it the way you want it, and also did a PDF so that you can just see the list. Retirement list, last chance, came out yesterday afternoon. And so we've got that. And there's also a list. I did not include that because these items will actually not officially retire until June. But they are while supplies last, a lot of them. So there's a list for the mini catalog, and this kit is on it. So this is the Hello Dear Friend kit. It's all inclusive, like it says. It includes everything you need. And I need to get my glasses. I don't know where I set them down at. Hold on just a second. So much better. It's bad enough being sleep deprived, but while I was waiting for the news. But anyway, all-inclusive kit. And it comes in this beautiful, box that's obviously can be repurposed. And it makes a nice gift box. If you know someone who maybe thinks they're not crafting, or they just don't have a lot of supplies, or maybe it's you. You don't, stock up a lot of stamps or inks or anything. These are all inclusive. But again, they make great gifts, even for somebody who is stamping. It's great to take on retreats because you can just whip these things out. It does make, I was looking to see how many cards, but 12 cards. That's what I'm counting here. And they're different sizes. This is gorgeous, though. It's called Hello Dear Friend. And again, they list what you're going to need. You don't need anything, but you know what? Your kit includes. Yeah, what does place adhesive behind? It has adhesive dots, the little glue dots that are used as adhesive if you don't even have adhesive. Sorry. And they did tell you color. I told you I can't sleep. Taught this morning. Coordinating colors. So if you wanted to make alternate ideas, but this is the 2 of the cards that they give you directions for, and there's the other 2. So beautiful, beautiful cards. And so it's all inclusive. It comes with a stamp set, and this says just a little note. Day to remember. You make my heart smile, and hello, dear friend. There's these little leaves and this little flower. Very simple, easy, because most of the stuff is printed. I may have to sneeze on you. I'm sorry. Dimensionals. This beautiful copper. Look at that. Copper trim. Yeah, we're going to be using some of that. It comes with, all inclusive, guys, it comes with an ink spot, Misty Moonlight. It comes with a block. So again, perfect for those first-time crafters, or, like I said, someone doesn't have a lot of supplies. Great alternate ideas here. Okay, we got the little mini cards. These are so cute and so perfect. And on coordinated envelopes, we have, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, so all these envelopes are the same. They're all lined with this. This is beautiful. I could put that on something. These are die cuts. They're not stickers. They're die cuts. Beautiful. Look at that. You get a lot. Every time I've made these kits, I've always had lots of leftovers. Pre-printed bases for this one. Look at these vellum die cuts. Wow. Okay, more pre-printed bases. Oops, I'm missing a leaf. Look at that. Oh, there he is. He's hanging out. He's ready to go on a hop on a card. So I guess that's telling me that's what one he is. Look at those leaves out. They are gorgeous. They're cute. Cute, cute, cute. I love it. Not a lot of stamping involved, and of course the labels. And there's the adhesive dots. So again, if you don't even have to have adhesive, just use this to stick everything on with. Okay? All right, let's make one of these cards. So today's Thursday. I've been here, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Which one's got a leaf on it so I know, since that little leaf had popped off. Oh, hello, dear friend. One of the little ones. Oh, I like that. We'll do that. Okay. So I need one of these. I am going to make it. I cannot think to make something alternate right now. All right. Hello, dear friend. So we don't need these bases. We need 2 of these leaves. All right. Let the cut rod come right out. We don't need any vellum, and we don't need the flower bases, but we need one of these. That's it. That's all I need. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Oops. We need one of these. Oh, there must be a different pattern because that is different. Look, there's 2 different patterns here. I should have looked. Maybe I shouldn't look at those others too. Because look at that pattern. You get 6 of these? Wow. Okay. Okay, we'll use this one. Alternate. I better check these others. Are they all the same? Yeah, they're all the same. Yeah, just a little different on this one. I like that. I wonder if that was a fluke. Anyway. All right, we got what we need. We got stamp. This one does not use this. I'm going to use my ink pad instead of the spot. So, let me reach over and get my Misty Moonlight. And block. You know what? Let's put it down here. Block on it. There we go. All right. Quick and easy this morning. What we need. Label. Use. I don't know why I inked it that many times, but I lightly tap, so that's sometimes why and I'm gonna move this up just a wee bit because we got the flower. Hello, dear friend. All right. There we go. The leaves are going to adhere down flat, so okay, it's a cloudy, rainy, gonna be a stormy day this afternoon. They're actually closing schools early today because of the threat of really bad storms this afternoon. Potential tornadoes. It is March in Nashville. That's when we tend to get hit. All right, we're going to pop this. So, let's see a little adhesive sticking through there. this one's going to be partly on the label and part below. So when it's like that, I don't want it just floating at a dimensional to the bottom part. Ta-da! Look at that. How easy was that? Oh, it's a little crooked, but that's okay. And I have a perfect, and it's going to slip right in here. I had a friend that was feeling under the weather and Miss Stamp Club this week, so I'm going to pop this in with her kit and make sure that she feels good. Just check on her. All right, guys. Quick and easy this morning. I am planning a little surprise pop on tomorrow to show you maybe another kit. We do have one that is retiring. Boho, oh my gosh, Boho Indigo product medley kit is in the annual catalog. You don't want to miss that. It is the kit itself includes a stamp set and dies, and it's $70. But the refill is like marked like 40, maybe 50, 60%. I mean, I cannot believe there's items on a lot of dies on the last chance list, the retirement list, that are 75% off, guys. Grab them while you can at those prices. They'll sell out. So have a great day, even though the sun's not shining here. Hopefully it's shining wherever you are. Hi, Diane. I see you. I bet the sun's shining down where you are, and it's warmer than it is here. Anyway, have a great day, and let the sun shine in your heart. Bye.